I'm sitting here with Omar.
Yes,
Yeah.
Umar, I'm living in Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, and
Yes,
you've run this shop for 35 years
Yeah, 35 years.
with a
this one.
bicycle?
Bicycle.
Bicycle
Yeah.
repair shop,
Yes, bicycle shop. 35 years I'm working.
and you've been able to educate your 5 children for higher
Yes.
education.
Yes,
For
my
all
4
of them.
children of the doctor.
Yeah,
Alhamdulillah, 4 children doctor after 2. My 5 daughter or 1 son.
yeah. So you,
Inshallah, also this one medicine also
yeah.
go.
So you're a successful businessman.
Yeah.
In
That
Riyadh.
was Saudi Arabia for very nice of the
Yeah.
for money coming only save money. Very good country Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Very good country.
Yeah.
I've
Yeah.
lived for about 35, 40 years. Saudi
Yeah,
Arabia.
this is-
It's very good country. This live this one. My child only working for bicycle. My child 4 coming now doctor. This 2 more. This inshallah very good.
Yeah.
Live very. This
So-
my friend coming living now maybe half hour.
Yeah.
Half hour.
Yeah.
This one happy. I am happy. Talking very happy.
So,
This.
so thank you for
Thank-
fixing my
thank-
bicycle.
Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you for you only. I am living for talking very happy.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you so much.